2010 Hyundai Elantra SE Edition. This car is loaded up with automatic transmission, alloy wheels, power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD player, inexpensive 4-cylinder. Super nice car all the way around, very well maintained, service and safety inspected. This car's got brand new brakes all the way around, fresh oil, fluids. Mechanics are perfect, very clean inside and out. Very well maintained. Auxiliary line in. Alloys, super nice. This car is also going to qualify for a 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract at no charge on the driveline. You're going to get a free Carfax certification, and you're going to get approved. $795 is the starting down payment on this car. DasCleveland.com.